Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over a very quick video. We're going to be talking about editing the shiny odds. If you want to edit the shiny odds, go to include constants pokemon.h, and then there's just a constant that's defined. That is the probability of a shiny appearing. Now it is actually out of 665,536, so it's not going to be the number you write down is going to be out of this. So if we want it to be half, if we want it to be around 50%, then we need to do a little bit over 32,000. I just put 32,000 just to, write a clean number, but this is a little bit less than half technically. If you wanted it to be 1 out of 512 or 1 out of 128 or 1 out of 1,000, you would just do the appropriate math to make this number get as close to 1 out of 1,000 as you want to simplify. So this, I've already compiled, so we can look in our world. Here we see we have a normal Pokemon, we have a normal Pokemon, we have a shiny Pokemon already. 1 out of 3, that's not bad. There's another one. There's another normal one. There's another normal one. And there's a shiny one. So again, it's not perfectly half, and even still, it's not gonna, in a real world scenario, just rolling 5 times isn't gonna get you a perfect mean average every single time. But anyway, it's as simple as that to change the shiny odds. All you have to do is edit this this constant in this file. Now, it actually gets a little more complicated than that, obviously, in like how the game determines it itself. It's based on the personality and the ID, but that's still, at the end of the day, related to the shiny odds. It's whether or not the get shiny value that takes these as its parameters, it's whether or not that this is less than this odds value, and that's what determines whether or not the Pokemon is shiny. So you can change that stuff if you want to as well. You can look into what I just showed you there. That was in Pokemon.c, in source Pokemon.c down here. And if you wanted to make it a little bit more complicated than just a direct odds, then you could do that. If you just want to change the shiny odds so that you can see more shinies in your game, it's as simple as that. And that's all it's going to be for this video, because it really is that easy. So we will see you on the next one.